Here let's do a question. A minimum phase unity feedback system has a Bode plot with a constant slope of minus 20 dB per decade for all frequencies. What is the value of maximum phase margin for the system? Alright. So first let us write down what is the information that is available. It is given that it is having a Bode plot has constant slope of how much? Minus 20 dB per decade. So that means it should be a pole, a single pole at origin. That's all. That is the function. There are no other corner frequencies, anything, nowhere. Okay. Therefore, there is only one pole at origin. So it might have a constant, right? There's nothing given about the initial value. So you will have to take a constant. So therefore, let us take the function g of s to be k by s. This is the information that we got from the first point. Now what is the question they are asking? What is the value of maximum phase margin? First we will see what is the phase margin simply. Then we can worry about the maximum phase margin. So what will be the phase margin? This is going to be the phase at gain crossover frequency plus 180 degrees. So first you have to find out the gain crossover frequency. Then we'll have to find out the phase. But if you can see here, the g of s is k by s simply, then what will be the phase? Angle g is simply minus 90 degrees irrespective of the frequency. So here you can directly write minus 90 degrees plus 180 degrees. This is going to give you plus 90 degrees irrespective of the frequency. So that means the phase margin is simply 90 degrees. We don't have to worry about the maximum phase margin. Next we have another question. In the Bode plot of a unity feedback control system, the value of phase of g of j omega at the gain crossover frequency is minus 125 degrees. The phase margin of the system is. Okay. So here it is pretty direct. You don't even need the Bode plot. What they have given? They have given that the phase at the gain crossover frequency they have given as minus 125 degrees. So then what is the phase margin? This is simply the phase at gain crossover frequency plus 180 degrees. So this is going to be minus 125 plus 180, which will give you 55 degrees. Okay, so these are the kind of questions you will get from Bode plot.